to understand the aspects. You don't have to learn degrees or calculate how many degrees apart the planets are and so on. That is only a technique. But it does not give you understanding, no. In this video you will learn in a simple way to understand the aspects and recognize them only with a short look at the horoscope, without lines and calculations. Stay tuned. Three signs are assigned to each element: fire, water, air, and earth. The signs of an element and its ruling planet harmonize with each other. For example, if you have one planet in the Taurus sign and another in the Virgo sign, both belong to the earth element. Then they are in harmony with each other and support each other. In what form decides the associated house. Then one speaks of a trine. However, if you have a planet in a sign of an opposite element, which is 3 signs away from it, against the clock, for example a planet in the fire sign Leo and another in a water sign like Scorpio, then these energies are in a tense relationship, just as the elements water and fire show it in the material world. Then one speaks of a square. Whether it is then exactly 90, 95 or 100 degrees is totally irrelevant. The elements are disharmonious to each other and thus a square is present. With an opposition it is likewise so. However, you should know that squares and oppositions, in other words disharmonious aspects, always harbor the greatest learning tasks and thus developmental steps. With this knowledge you can explore the other aspects and move on. If you like this video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to go deeper, I recommend my online course. You can find the link in the description below the video. See you soon in the next video.